Number 31. Amanda plots a point to represent the ordered pair 4, 6, which describes how to locate this point on a coordinate grid. A. Move 4 units to the right of the origin and then 6 units to the left. B. Move 4 units up from the origin and then 6 units to the right. C. Move 4 units to the right of the origin and then 6 units up. D. Move 6 units to the right of the origin and then 4 units down. 32. Rebecca drew a rectangle. Which equation represents the area of the rectangle? 33. A young monarch caterpillar measures about 236 thousandths inch long. What's the length of the caterpillar rounded to the nearest hundredth? Number 34. Miss Cortez spent 17 4/10 minutes folding 100 flyers. If he spent the same amount of time folding each flyer, how many minutes did it take Mr. Cortez to fold 10 flyers? 35. Pet store workers need to place 2,204 fish into fish tanks with 58 fish in each tank. How many tanks are needed to hold all the fish? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid. Be sure to use the correct place value. 36. Ned uses centimeter cubes to build a rectangular prism. Which equation can Ned use to find the volume of the rectangular prism? Number 37. What is the value of T in the equation? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid. Be sure to use the correct place value. 38. Team A traveled 21 459 thousandths miles to the game. Team B traveled 21 542 thousandths miles to the same game. Which expression correctly compares the distances the teams traveled? 39. Sharon's gross yearly income is $55,000. She pays $15,000 in taxes each year. If this is the only money taken out of Sharon's checks, what's her net yearly income? Number 40. Ravi made a chart to keep track of his money. Ravi's financial record, month of February. Date, description, received, expenses, available funds. Balance, end of January. Allowance, hat, shovel snow, art supplies, music downloads. Which expression can be used to find how much Ravi has in available funds after he receives payment for shoveling snow?